As we kick off the new year here at XTB, we've taken the time to research what stocks you should be looking out for in 2024. First of all, let's take a look at the overall picture for the year. Artificial intelligence was the main stock market trend last year. Current earnings forecasts for 2024 point to further growth in the AI market. Initially, AI was associated with a wave of speculation, but as the 2023 data and estimates for 2024 show, the industry is showing signs of sizable organic growth. The key to its sustainability in 2024 will be a company's ability to continue to grow. Let's break down the companies you should be looking at this year. First, let's have a look at BigBear.ai. BigBear.ai provides decision intelligence solutions and, according to its website, is trusted by leaders in government and science, manufacturing, warehouse operations, and healthcare and life sciences. The company operates through two segments, cyber engineering and analytics. They are predicted to have an 11% jump in revenue this year. Next up, we have C3.ai. C3.ai is a public American technology company specializing in enterprise AI. C3.ai provides over 40 turnkey enterprise AI applications that meet the business critical needs of global enterprises. Some of these include CRM, cash management, ESG, reliability, and demand forecasting, to name a few. Their stock has grown by over 15% in the last year, with a predicted 20% growth in revenue in the next year in comparison to 2022. Up next is SoundHound, another innovative company that is not yet known in the broad market, and the financial forecast seeming favorable for it is SoundHound. The company's goal is to develop AI-based music and voice recognition technologies and create tools to remotely assist employees with artificial intelligence. And the company's projected revenue of 50% could negate the downward wave that the company experienced in 2023. Next up is Palantir. After years of losses and cash burn, technology company Palantir has had a year in which it's achieved profitability for the first time in its history. The company has leapfrogged business agreements not only with the public sector, but especially with the private sector in 2023, including Amazon Web Services, Oracle, and Panasonic. Palantir can therefore look forward to two positive catalysts: the growing civil sector and the development of AI products and services for defense and intelligence agencies, as geopolitics makes its products needed more than ever. All in all, analysts are optimistic about the shares of key AI big tech stocks. However, some analysts are less optimistic on Palantir shares. Up next, we have Arista Networks. Arista Networks is an American computer company. They are an industry leader in data-driven client-to-cloud networking for large data centers, campuses, and routing environments. They are predicted to have a 12% growth in revenue next year. We also have AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, also known as AMD, the semiconductor company known for designing and developing computer processors and graphics technologies. Instead of making its own products, AMD started by retooling existing microprocessors and other products to make them faster and more efficient. Through growth and acquisitions, AMD is now a top provider of CPU technology for desktop computers as well as servers, GPU graphics technology, high-performance computing, and AI processors. They are predicted to have a 17% growth in revenue next year. Up next is NVIDIA. NVIDIA designs and sells GPUs for gaming, cryptocurrency mining, professional applications, as well as chip systems for use in vehicles, robotics, and other tools. The company is a leading manufacturer of high-end GPUs. XTB Research is predicting a 56% growth in revenue in 2024. We also have Microsoft. Microsoft is an American multinational technology corporation. They are best known for their software products, such as the Windows line of operation systems, the Microsoft 365 suite of productivity applications, and the Edge web browser. XTB Research is predicting a 14% increase in revenue growth this year. And lastly, we have Alphabet. Alphabet Incorporated is an American multinational technology conglomerate holding company. It was created through a restructuring of Google in 2015 and became the parent company of Google and several former Google subsidiaries. Some of these companies include Waze, YouTube, Looker, and Fitbit, to name a few. XTB Research is predicting Alphabet to have an 11% revenue growth this year. It's worth bearing in mind that amongst the most recognizable AI companies on this list, many of them are the largest companies in the US market. Looking at how NVIDIA, Microsoft, or Google may perform this year can, in addition to providing insight concerning the AI sphere itself also provide us with a view of how Wall Street as a whole may perform. If you like this video, make sure you're subscribed to XTB to keep up to date with the latest on trading and investing.